Alrighty. Let's do some do it to it fluid. Skirt.
Take it off. Landing.
Oh God.
China cleared.
Nice one. Nice one.
Oh God, very well played.
Very well played.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Holy shit.
Like
Caught up to me like
nothing.
nut.
A lot of that was assisted. I was assisted. I must have been an updraft.
Got a battery? I do. Let's wait for these guys.
What are we doing? I'm coming to you.
Slow pass.
I didn't get quite as high as you. I'm getting up and out because I didn't know where Robert was. See, that's why I did it. Now I gotta avoid the sun.
2 minutes.
What?
Oh, my fin.
It flew off?
Fuck.
What did it fly off? Where is it?
Somewhere. Landing! I'm not gonna get it back. It's late. Landing! What the fuck flew off my plane?
Is it still there?
Yeah.
You lose a door?
Maybe. No. I'm in landing. Ah, yeah, it did. I swear I thought I saw something
It
fly.
might have been stuff floating around in the air. Whoa!
Whoa!
Time remaining 1 minute.
Damn!
You shot stuff over here.
You got shot!
Yeah, you shot a prop over here. Bang!
I was like, what the?
Bang, bang.
Alright, coming out.
Here, this is what we're gonna do, Frankie. When you get ready to take off,
What?
when you get ready to take off, I'll do like a borderline, like almost a touch and go there with you. So where are you? Ready? Up.
Going.
Go. I'll join up with you.
Try to make it come.
There we go.
10, 9,
Whatever, you tell me.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Landing flaps. Gear down.
Okay, I'll be closest to us.
Backwards.
It did, it just blew up.
Time expired.
Alright, Frank, now you're gonna make me buy one.
Gear
You just
up.
made me do it.
Flaps
The
up.
last time you guys flew, I think there was, what, 5 of you guys out here?
Something like that.
Chris and I both went, alright, let's do it. And then we never pulled the trigger. We always
I know.
It was like, did you buy one? Did you buy one? Did you buy one?
Landing flaps.
Yeah, I'm with you now.
No, I think it's 250. They say they fly better than you want.
They do.
Flaps up. Flaps up. Gear up.
I gotta get on you. I can't stick with you.
You gotta put that wig on, dude, if you want to ride him.
What the hell are you talking about? Woohoo!
Robert, how many minutes you have?
Huh? What?
Alright.
Oh, you want to do it? Go. I'll get some separation. Ready?
3, 2, now.
Holy cow! I didn't do it as well as he did.
It's all right, but the way we opposed each other was good.
Over.
How many minutes you guys?
Well, we'll be up probably another.
Timer over. 1 minute 13 seconds.
I probably got another little under a minute. Holy crap!
Again.
He just turned around him and kept going. Look at Robin.
I'll wait for you guys.
All right, Frankie, you ready for touch and go?
Ready.
All right, go.
Landing
I'm
flaps.
setting up for it right now. That's a big brick of foam right there.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Oh, look at that.
And then let's flip it and come back.
Okay,
Now.
go.
Boom. Full speed.
2 minutes over.
Wait, did you say Tattoo has 4 cells for sale? I saw it.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, they do?
They have 4 cells too, the 5200s.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Can you show me some they are, please?
Yeah. They did. I don't know if they're.
Oh, that was cool.
I don't know if they're still in stock or not.
I'll give you that.
I really hope it is, because I need them.
Let's come back, Frank.
I'm coming back.
Okay.
Shit, I missed out on the 6 cells.
Yeah, he did.
30 bucks, dude. 32 bucks.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I could have done it on purpose.
I'm coming in. That's it.
Yeah.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I tried to share it with as many people as I could. I missed some.
That was awesome.
Flaps up.
Oh, show off. Really. I see what you did there.
That's right, baby.
Yeah.
It's an inverted snap. That's it.
These things are way too much fun. I don't know why.
You don't need to touch a thing. Just
Yeah, it's just
it's perfect out of the box.
out of the box.
Alrighty. That was fun. I didn't get to see your snap.